I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. Today we're making our fresh pineapple upside down cake. On the top, there's a gooey layer made with brown sugar and butter and fresh pineapple slices. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's go make it. Start with a fresh pineapple. Of course, you can use canned, but we love how fresh tastes tart and sweet. Peel, quarter, and remove the core of your pineapple. Then slice it into half-inch thick slices. We'll use around a quarter of a large pineapple to make the cake. Spread 4 tablespoons of softened butter onto the bottom of a 9-inch cake pan. Scatter a half cup of brown sugar over the butter and finish with a dusting of ground cinnamon. Arrange the pineapple slices on top of the butter and brown sugar, rotating them as needed to get as many pieces to fit as possible. Separate 2 eggs. We will use the yolks first and save the whites for a bit later. In a large bowl, beat 8 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of lime or lemon zest with an electric mixer on high speed until light and fluffy, 2 to 3 minutes. Add the egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat until smooth. I've sifted 1.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and now need to mix it into the butter mixture on low speed. I do this in 2 additions, mixing until only a few streaks of flour remain. Then, using a low speed, I mix in the egg whites and a 1/2 cup of sour cream into the batter. Now spread the cake batter onto the pineapple in the pan and bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Cool the cake in the pan for 5 minutes, then run a knife around the edges and invert it onto a plate to cool. Don't be nervous, just go for it. If any pineapple slices stick to the pan, place them back onto the cake and spread some gooey brown sugar sauce over them to cover it up. No one will ever know. And that's it, gooey pineapple upside down cake. It's delicious.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.